clearly seen. Join it to the D, what we have made down, and make the leg going downwards. Join it to the body. A hand next to the neck. And from the hand, the other leg will come, which will have a shape, and just before this leg, you're going to just join it like this. I'll show you. Give the 2 ears, small tiny ears. One this side and one the hole which will be visible. One is on the other side. The tail, a long tail. And erase the body part from there. The D shape is there. Now you can shape it anyhow. That is, you can make it fat, you can make it thin. If you feel that it is too fat, just give a little bit curve from inside and give one eye, and where the droplet shape is there, from there just come inside to give a arc. The mouth. From hand, join the face and erase the lines. All connecting, when you're connecting to each other, just erase the lines in between. Done? Face has become a little bit big. You can show a small laddu also in the
Ma'am, can you see?
yes, once. Just hold it. I made the face a little bit small. Yes, sure. Yes, it is okay. Just erase this line between the face. You have made the oval line. Erase where the neck is there, na? That should be connected with the body. Erase that line. Don't keep that line.
Can I show you?
Yes. Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Very
Ma'am,
good, Krishna.
uh,
Yes. Very good, Iraida.
Ma'am,
Yes. Very good, Trizling. Yes. Sanskriti.
ma'am, can you just show the leg of the mouse?
We have made this D now. Okay. Just make one curve, go inside, and then make a leg. Done. When it is big, you will be able to count. This is very small, so I was not able to. From here, just make the other leg and go outside to give the leg like this.
Ma'am, I
And
get
here is the mouth, like this.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Got it? Arish, make the mouse. If you have made it, yes, show me path. Hold it up. Yes, very good. With the help of D, just make it. Should we start coloring? Now take the soft pastel.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, show.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have not finished the more pankaj.
That all detailing will be with the pencil.
Okay.
Right now, just yes, very good, Pragat. Done. Everyone done. Should we
Okay,
start?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
The pattern designing and all that will come with the help of your pencil colors. That is detailing. That we call it as a detailing. Okay. Yeah. So, with the skin color, this is the skin color. Can everyone see? Yes, skin color, light. Pragati, it's pink color, I think so. It's what you are showing is orange. Is it pitch color? Take
Yes,
the pitch
ma'am.
color. Okay, then take the pitch color. No problem. Okay? And
Ma'am,
now,
I don't think I have the peach color.
okay, take the pitch color, light peach, but I don't want any dark one. Just go with it. Now, where you have to load. And
Ma'am?
load, yes.
Ma'am, I have flesh tint.
Yeah, same one. Flesh tint means pitch color. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Now, where you're going to load is on the trunk, you're going to go downwards like this. Just load it this way. Go with the direction and load on the tongue. Wherever the dark shade is there, little bit is there, we will load it with the help of pencil color. Otherwise, for this dark shade, we are going to load the orange. Now, right now, we'll load all pitch color. On the top of the forehead, you're going to go this way. For the face, you're going to go near the eye, you're going to go upwards. On the cheek, you're going to go circular. We are going to follow all the directions. See what we did, trunk from top to bottom with the shape of trunk. For the forehead, top one with the arc like this. Below the eye, it is on the top, and on the cheeks, circular way. Why to load is
Ma'am?
to give that effect. Yes, Arish,
You have to make the mouse. Like,
you make it afterwards. I'll show you with the pencil. Now load the soft pastel. Okay. Now for the ear, all the ear just in a circular way, come down and load the color.
you can color over the red marks.
Yes, you'll have to color over the red marks. Afterwards, again, you will have to make it. Okay. Now this side, and on the stomach. Just load with the shape in the center where the belly will be there, just in a circular way, and again go with the shape like this. Hands you are going to load separately, not with the stomach. Okay? Near this also you can load it right now, and on top of that with pencil we'll make the ornament. Now just load it. Hand, for the fingers come down like this, and the thumb, and in the center just load it with the direction. Same will be here, come down, fingers, and on the hand just load it in a circular. Let it be, if it looks more dark, no problem. We will load little bit of white over it after loading all the colors if the shade is not coming. Done? Legs are there. Let's go downwards.
Ma'am, my teeth color is looking much lighter than yours.
Yeah, mine it is looking, first of all in camera, when I see in my laptop it is looking too dark, but as if it is not dark. Here, this side. On top of that, I'm going to load white after merging all the color to give a little bit bright shade. Okay, now both the legs.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how did you load the peach color in the tummy?
Tummy, first in the center part where the belly is there. Belly will be located below the trunk. It is not going to come here in the center. Just go in a circular way, and then this will be this side and go up. Go this way. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Take your orange color. Dark orange. Huh? You can go with the scarlet also if you want. It will look nice. There, I can see the orange shade here. And if you don't have scarlet, you can load. Yes.
Can I load?
Yeah, you can load orange, and if it is not looking dark, you can
Excuse
load
me, ma'am.
little bit of red in it. Yes.
Ma'am, in the stomach part, we have to color on ornaments too.
Ornaments, will do it with a pencil.
Can I use this one?
See, main thing is, soft pastel will merge everywhere. So we will only load which are the main colors, which
Ma'am?
we want the shade. Yes.
Can you please tell me which color is best for the body?
Where? Which one? Here. This is for which color only? Why?
Ma'am, which color you are using now?
I'm using vermilion hue, dark orange, and little.
have that.
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't have that.
Use orange and little bit of red in it. I'll show you. Wait.
Ma'am,
First load wherever the dark shade is there. Yes.
Ma'am, is this the color?
Take the orange shade. I'm not able to see, and if it is light, just load little bit of red in it. This side
Okay,
is
ma'am.
the orange. Yes. Amira, are you able to load it? Khushi, because you're doing it for the first time. That's why. Yes. Ishani, if you are not going to open the video, what will happen after some time? You will be removed from the class. It's programmed like that. Yeah, students, just listen. If you're going to keep your video off after some time, after 5 or 10 minutes, you will be removed from the class. Because I can't pay attention there, but it has been programmed like that. Because every time ma'am has to listen, heard the recording, and she said that every time you're shouting, open the video, we'll make a programming. Okay, done here? Yeah, but near the trunk, there is orange shape.
Boarding in progress.
You can load little bit of red also, it gives a nice shape if you want. Or if you are not able to load the red, no problem, we will load it with the pencil color. Okay, now to merge with, you'll have to take the earbud, because we don't want to merge a lot of orange all over. So just merge the orange gently how you have loaded, and blow off the excess. Blow off. Huh? Don't tap also right now, because your pitch color, the skin color is also there.
Ma'am, we have to merge the orange only, not the skin color.
No, not right now. We don't want orange shade, lot of orange shade inside the skin color. That's why just merge the orange first.
Boarding in progress.
Okay, now I'll first start merging where the small areas is there, that is hand. So that wherever, see, in the palm we have loaded circular, I'm merging it circular, hands standing wise. Okay, same thing, legs downwards, step by step how we have loaded. Then comes the first we had loaded the trunk. So the forehead, you can run little bit, be careful, because if you have loaded the pencil in this eyelids and all that, so there the black color will come on your hand. On the chin, in a circular way, little bit of orange will come inside the cheek. It's okay, no problem. Shade. And then below, yes, somebody was saying something. Below the eye,
The color is spreading out of the sketch on the paper.
which one?
From the oil paste, the soft pastels. It's
I
coming
didn't-
out of the sketch.
Show me what happened.
In some areas, the powder is coming.
Yeah, it's okay. Soft pastel is not a problem. Afterwards, you can load the paint also in it. Be careful, just don't give it go out purposely, but by mistake, if it goes, no problem. Okay? Then the ear downwards. Okay, this is this. And then the tummy, first part, then go this side and then this side. You can keep a paper and just tap the excess color. Now with your finger, run your on the orange, not on with your pitch color, just run on the orange. Run your finger. If it is looking, now see, if you feel that it is too dark, through camera it is looking too dark, here it is proper, but then also if you feel that it is dark, just load white on top of it.
Okay.
Yes, it is okay. See, I'm just going to load white
Ma'am, can I
on
show?
inside the face.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see?
Yes, I'll see. Very good. Shivani.
Thank you.
Parth, very nice. Yes, Pragati, very good.
See, mine's also.
Amaira, very good. Yes, Iraira, very good. Drizzling, very nice. Sanskriti, oh, very good, Sanskriti. Which color you have used? Something
Ma'am?
different? Yeah?
Pink and then orange.
Okay. Vedika, very good. Okay. So little bit, if you want white shade, I'm just loading out here. You can keep the same shade, no problem. And I'll merge. I'll keep the same shade for the ears. I'm not going to change it. I'm just
Ma'am?
showing you. Yes. Yes, what happened, Arish? Very good,
Ma'am?
Arish. Yes, very good. See, little bit of white I have loaded over
Ma'am, please see
the
mine.
face. Yes, show me. Kushi, show.
Ma'am, can you see?
Very good, Kushi. Yes, show. Krishna. Very good, I have seen. Krishna, I have seen yours. Ishani. Very good, Ishan. Done? Okay?
Ma'am, is this fine? Should I add more orange or it's fine?
It's fine. It's perfect. The color combination is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Who is rubbing? Ishani, don't rub too much. Okay. Now the blue and pink shade. I have a fluorescent pink only. I'm going to load that only. And the turban pink is there, and the borders are pink, and this
Ma'am?
dhoti is and yes.
Ma'am,
Going to load this blue. Yeah, you can load that, Pragati. I have this because then I have directly the dark blues, and I'm going to load the.
Ma'am, which blue is this?
Yeah, drizzling it is okay. Arohi it is okay. Yes, Kushi it is okay. Amaira it is okay. Yes, fast. This is mine is the cobalt blue, but little bit more blue is there in that. It's not
Ma'am?
having a cobalt shade. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm having the
Ma'am,
magenta
it is.
and the sky blue.
Yeah, take. Take the sky blue. No problem.
Ma'am, I am taking this one.
Yes. Okay. Now with your
Ma'am, and this one.
yes, you can take that. Now with your pink first, load it in the turban here. Load your pink. I'm loading. I have this pink color only. I don't have the any other color.
Ma'am, I have
Dark shade.
magenta.
No. If you have pink shade, load the pink. Fluorescent pink is there, then load it. I have the dark shade only.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
this.
magenta.
Ma'am, I have this.
Yeah, load that only, Arish. Because this will become too dark. That's why.
Magenta.
Yeah. then
magenta.
okay, load that.
Okay, ma'am.
To the border, this side and this side, I can see the pink. Now, the patterns, what Iraira was saying, a pattern, that we will make with the pencil. Okay? That we are not going to, because we will not be able to make it with the soft pastel also, and it will merge everywhere. It will not give any pattern, just we'll make it. And the center, this is called as a kashta, that is with the pink. Center, I have made center to everywhere, na? I think, no, yeah, this I forgot. There is a center part, nobody has made it. It was open, I have made lines in it. Center part is with the border. When the dhoti is where this comes.
Ma'am, I have made it.
Okay, no problem. Those who have not made, for them I say. Okay? Some of them have made it, some of them have not made it. So I have made it to show. Okay, now with your blue, just load this blue and with the pencil we'll give the dark shade. But go with the shape like this. Just go with the shape. Yes, Parth? Yes, very good. Look, go with the shape. It is here. Now, here also when you are going to load, first the leg is like this downwards and go with the curls. You are going to merge it also, load it also in the curl way and merge it also in the same direction. It will give more effect. If you try to merge it on the knee, just load it in a circular way. Again, same this side, this is the knee. And now more load it in this way. The curve, go downwards and come from here with the curls this way. I don't have the same, yes? Vedika?
Ma'am, is that blue?
And Vedika, your voice is not, it's cracking. What you said, I didn't get. Yes?
I didn't understand how you did it.
This one. First the knee circular way, and first this is, we made the folds now. So in the same direction, just load it in the same direction like this. And for this side, you are going to come and join it to your this curls. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Same. Here the knee is there, just make it circular and try to make the folds from here and join it from this side. Turban, just go in the direction of the turban. And for the shawl or others, it is called as shela. So just come down. Drop it down. The yellow shade is there, that will make it with the pencil. Main color, we are loading it with the soft pastel, okay? Center for the feather, center is pink and surrounding is the blue. Now same, how we did for the orange, with your earbud, you're going to merge your pink. Because we don't want the pink to be loaded inside the blue. So take your earbud and just merge the pink. going to merge only the feather blue with the help of same pink earbud and leave it like that only. Okay. Now merge your blue color. Same direction, that is, I've loaded it this way, go this way and this way. So load it. Then for knee circular way, and from here give the curve, and this side give it from here. Just join it. Now here the downwards it is, and join it from this way. And this is straight down. This way.
Ma'am, you have merged all.
Yes, have merged all.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes. Very good, Iraira. Very good drizzling. Excellent, Shivani. I can see yours. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Arohi. Very nice. Be careful. No problem if it goes out, but do try not to send it outside the line. If it goes, no problem. Now we'll know. Everyone done? Should we do the background so that we can load the soft pastel?
Ma'am, can
Okay, small. Yes. Very good, Sanskrit.
Ma'am, can you
Pragati, very nice.
Ma'am.
Yes.
you know?
Very good, Arish. Parth, very nice. Everyone has done very nice this time. Yes, Vedika. Beautiful. Color, blue color is very nice. Which color you have used? Blue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ishani, show me. Iraira. Kushi, show me. Kushi, you have shown. Very good, Iraira. Kushi. Very good, Ishani. Yes. Kushi done. Amaira. Very good, Amaira. Kushi done. Pragati, you showed me.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, Kushi. Yes. Okay, now when we are doing background, before that, no, when doing background, we'll load yellow that time only, not before it. Okay, now for our background, the down is very dark, means with the burnt cyan here, this way. With the burnt cyan, reddish brown, there is little bit dark brown shade. That is, two shades are there. So what we are going to do, we are going to load both of them in sleeping direction. Always, whenever the floor comes, it will be in a sleeping direction. Two colors, that is, one is the burnt cyan, reddish or brown, and the second one will be the dark brown. Combination of both of it. It's a brown, it's not black. Might be through camera it is looking black, but it's dark brown shade. Yes, Iraira. Yes, Amaira. Yes, Kushi, Arohi. Not Kushi. Kushi, show me. Are you able to pick it up, everyone?
Ma'am, are these two colors?
Yes. Other one, yes. Other one will look black, but this should be the reddish brown.
Ma'am, not deep.
Yes, Ishani, right.
Ma'am,
Pragati, right.
let off
Yes.
your hand. Can you move your hand?
Yes, Sanskriti, right. Yes, Kushi, it is right.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, show.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, it is okay. Now be careful when we are making. Yes, drizzling, it is right. When we are making the base, that is background, we should be very careful. In some area, you can leave it white. Don't load your color. It should not go inside the whole main element. So what you are going to do? First, with your burn cyan, just load it in a sleeping direction. Burn cyan is the main part. Leave the mouse like that only. Don't load anything here. On mute, everyone, please.
I'm like this.
Yes.
I'm like this.
Yeah, you can load that. Okay. Now up to here, the burn cyan is there. That is the base. Leave white near the legs, near the cloth. Don't load excess of it. This brown should not go inside the color.
This is a light brown.
No, this is burnt cyan. It's a reddish brown. It's not light brown. Okay, on top of this, you're just going to load, see the color. Can you see the change here? It has given the dark shade. I'm using the other brown, just loading on top of it.
Ma'am, which color
Go
are
on
you?
mute. Please go on mute. Somebody is, yeah, I'm using dark brown.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Now
got that
merge
gold
it.
cyan. Ma'am, can
First
I
is
use?
burnt cyan and then is the dark brown. I want this color, shade.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it means first we have to do dark brown.
First you have to do burnt cyan. Base will give the color shade. If you had loaded dark brown first, then you would have got the dark brown shade first. First is the
Can
base.
I use viaduct brown?
You can use brown if you don't have burnt cyan. Which shade you want will be your base color. And then you will load the other dark color to merge it together. If you don't have burnt cyan, you can load little bit of red, but then you should know the proportion. So don't go. Load brown and black, dark brown. No problem.
Where have you loaded the dark brown shade?
On top of the burnt cyan, I loaded the dark brown. Just gently on top of it. Changing the color of the burnt cyan.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, everyone can show me. Yes, right. Very good. Very good, Pragati. Very good, Sanskriti. Very good, Iraira. Everyone's artwork is looking very nice. Very good, Shivani. Shivani, you can load little bit dark brown. It has become a reddish brown.
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
good part. Yes. Drizzling, load little bit dark brown. Why? That also I'll tell you. This color blue and this dark, it gives a very nice combination. That's why I said load little bit dark brown.
Ma'am, can I go for doing the hand wash because my
Ravi, acha, okay, you don't have wet and dry napkin. I always keep it with me. See, my hands are clear now. Just rub your hands on the wet and then dry it. Yes, very good, Arish.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good, Arul.
ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, show everyone. Kushi, very nice, Kushi.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, Krishan, it is okay, but both side. If we make it from here, the floor will be same here also, na? Go it little bit up and give on the both the side, same size it will be. Yes, drizzling, very
Ma'am,
good
which
now.
part should be up?
Both the side, up to here.
Both the side have to be equal.
Yes,
Okay.
very good, Shivani. Yes,
Ma'am, is the brown fine?
yes, it is fine. Brown. I want the dark only shade because then only this will look. It will the bright effect will come more when we'll do with the pencil. Okay? Clear? Clear. Very good, Iraira. Vedika, pass. Done. Show me.
Ma'am, now is it okay?
Yes, now it is okay. Yes, path, hold it up. Yeah, it is okay. Yes, Vedika. Ishani, you showed me. Ishani, you have load this up to here. So load it this also up to that area. Both the sides should be the same. Got it? Yeah, load it. Yes, Vedika, what happened? Okay. Yes, what happened?
For some reason, I don't know why Zoom kicked me out of the meeting.
I don't know, but you must have kept your video off.
No, ma'am, it was on.
Then I don't know why Zoom kicked you out. Now show me what happened. What, whichever you were not able to load it.
The brown part.
You'll have to take the dark brown and the burnt cyan. You're going to load first burnt cyan, sleeping wise, and the dark brown. Do it afterwards. First do the top one. Then do that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now just see. There is a lemon yellow, then deep yellow, orange shade, burnt cyan, brown is there, red is there. If you have scarlet, we don't require red because red is very less. So scarlet is the perfect, but if you don't have scarlet, we'll go with the red. So colors. Don't keep it on the paper like me. I'm going to go
I
with,
don't have deep yellow.
huh?
Ma'am, I don't have deep yellow.
Go with the light orange. No problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show me the scarlet color ones?
I'm going to show to everyone. I'm going to take this yellow. This is not bright yellow. I don't have lemon yellow. I have lemon yellow, but that is different. I don't want that. This is
Excuse
Ma'am,
me.
I have lemon yellow, golden yellow, and yellow ochre.
take the golden yellow.
Can I know, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, golden
Yes.
yellow and lemon yellow.
Yes.
have lemon yellow and golden yellow.
Take that. Both of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. First, let me remove. Then everyone tell me what. See. First is this yellow, which is not lemon yellow. It is a medium yellow. Then is the deep yellow. Then is the orange shade. Okay. Then I don't have proper red. I have this red. I'm going to use this, but it gives a different color. But then also I'm going to use little bit scarlet. It can be. Then
Yeah.
one second. Just hold on. First, I'll remove that whatever you have. the burnt cyan and the same dark brown. Okay, now tell me what happened.
Excuse me, I'm saying
Yes.
that I have taken golden means golden means golden yellow and lemon yellow, so it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Ishani, perfect. Ishani only changed the yellow ochre. Yellow ochre is not required. Yes.
I don't have a scarlet.
Arohi, the deep yellow is not there. You don't have deep yellow.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Go with 2 yellow shade, 1 orange, 1 red, and 2 brown shades. It will give a perfect shading. Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have scarlet. Ma'am, I don't
Okay.
have.
Ira, it is okay. 1 by 1. Yeah, go with that, Arohi. 1 by 1. Yes, Shivani, it is okay. Shivani, middle one is not this na yellow ochre. Don't go with yellow ochre. Just see to it.
Ma'am,
No
this
yellow
one.
ochre.
Ma'am, this one.
No, it's orange. No problem. Yes. Right, Pragati. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedika, it is okay. Yes.
yellow ochre.
No, not yellow ochre. It's a bright shade is there. No yellow ochre. Drizzling. Hold it proper. Yes, you can use all that colors. Yes. Done, everyone.
Ma'am, I
Amira,
don't
1
have
second.
scarlet.
Amira, remove the yellow ochre. Go with this color and this color. I don't want the dark shade. I can see this color. I don't want the dark shade. Then also my yellow ochre is little bit light, but don't go with that. Done. Kushi, yeah, it is okay. Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, I don't have scarlet.
It's okay. Red. Take the red.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the yellow ochre is lighter than the golden yellow.
But it will not give a shine effect. It
Okay.
will give a dull effect. That's why. Yes.
Last class you were talking about some gelatin. Are these okay?
Which one? This is of which name?
Pentonic.
Yes, that is okay. No problem. Color na? Colorful. Yeah, Pentanex has also introduced the color one. Okay, now with the light shade. Just arrange it in this way. That is yellow. First will be the light shade, then will be the dark shade, orange, then red or scarlet, whatever you have, burnt cyan and the dark brown. Okay? We'll go with this shade. First with your yellow, light yellow, just load it. Be careful near the hand. Go standing wise.
Ma'am,
Where the
lemon
hole
yellow.
is there, yes.
Can I put the
The
lemon
first,
yellow?
yes. First, leaving little bit space on this side. First, load your yellow shade, light, whichever light is there, in the standing direction, like this. Then take your orange, yes.
Ma'am, we have to load lemon yellow first, now.
The light shade of yellow, whichever you have taken. We have taken 6 pair, so that one. Then with your orange, I can see orange here. Just load the orange and down will come little bit of red. This side I can see red. So I'm loading
Excuse me,
red.
ma'am.
Yes.
Can I use the red and orange?
Yes, you can use. Then the dark brown, I can see this side. I've loaded dark brown and below that I'm going to load my burnt cyan. Separately, not together. I want a dark and light shade of brown, so I've done that. Same, I'll come here. I can see the dark brown. Okay. Below that, I'm going to go with the burnt cyan. Slowly, I'll repeat it. And I can see a red shade there. It will give a very nice effect with the brown for the red. So I'm loading red in this area.
Ma'am, what color you use?
Red it is.
No,
Actually,
the
it is
first
a scarlet. Yeah?
No, the one down.
Here red. This you're saying? This is red. This is orange. Here dark brown, burnt cyan. Dark brown, burnt cyan. Across it is red. Across the hand, it's completely dark. So go with your dark brown. Be careful. Don't load over this area. This is the say the garments, that is ornaments or garland it is, when somebody ties on the hand and everywhere. So that is yellow color. We can load this yellow at the end after merging. I can see brown all over across the hand, the dark sheet with the red. Now, we'll require deep yellow and red and orange shade first. Leave aside remaining things, okay? First, load your deep yellow. Just load it. Because we want the background shade of yellow. So, deep yellow. Give the deep yellow shade. Up to the ear. On top of deep yellow, in between, just load your orange. In between. We'll merge it. Now here below the ear, I can see orange. The first yellow what we have taken, it's not a deep yellow, little bit of yellow, and then again the orange shade. Oh, I loaded it red, sorry, orange it is. Now the down part, beside orange, I'm just loading red, not on top of orange. Beside orange, I want the orange red shade. And the remaining part is dark brown again. Dark brown, not the burnt cyan. Dark brown here, I can see here. I can see here. Little bit of burnt cyan. Just load burnt cyan there, no problem.
Ma'am, what color?
Burnt cyan and brown. Nothing else I have done. Now, only thing, I'm not going to merge any color in this, because what will happen after, just when doing detailing, we'll require one more class for the detailing. After doing detailing, we are going to make dark with your dark red pencil, or with on top of this your gel pen will also work, or you can take the red pencil. Pencil will only look nice, and you are going to make a O. So that's why I have left this yellow shade like that only. Now merge this red and orange one side. Don't go in brown right now. Wherever you have loaded red, just try to avoid going inside the brown color. Okay, now here. Now I'll merge. I'm not going to merge this brown inside any other color. It's separately, I'm just merging. The brown, both the brown.
Mom, it's looking really ugly in my boy.
It will look. No problem. Show me why ugly. You had not loaded this area. There was no brown. Can you see? Then how your brown has come there? In this area, only red, orange, and yellow was there.
I have no idea. I'm just coloring it.
Listen now. Now listen. Only load deep yellow there and merge it. Don't do anything. Don't load any red. Otherwise, it will become more dark. Load a light shade, and that is only the yellow shade. Load over there and merge that area, so it will give a yellowish shade. Yes. How many of you don't know how to load the fixate tube? Those who know, they can load it afterwards. First show me. If it is right, then I'll say you can load it, the fixate tube. And okay, Kushi and Amira, you don't know now how to load the fixate tube, or you know it?
Mom, can I show?
Yes. Very good, Sanskriti. Very good, Pragati.
Ma'am, it's a little bit of space left over here. So should I add yellow inside this?
No, it is dark brown there.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, wherever the light shade is there, there will come dark. Wherever blue is there, there yellow and orange. Just see, this is a color scheme. We are not loading it like that only. We don't introduce any color scheme in CDA, but you can just judge it with the colors. That's why I told you. It's a, how I said, yes. Arish, okay. Load little bit of yellow here, this side. Iraira, very good. Drizzling, more orange is required over the yellow. Here, little bit.
Mom, can I show you?
Yes, Amira, very good, Amira. Yes, yes.
Mom, is it okay?
Your red color, you have not loaded red color. Little bit red is required.
Ma'am,
Arohi,
the fixing
yeah, now it is okay. Now it is okay.
Mom,
Very good, Sanskriti. Your red shade is there, a little bit red is required.
okay, ma'am.
Very good, Shiva.
ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Arish,
Ma'am, can you please see?
yes, show. Ishani, show me your